everybody? And it might not be morning for you guys, but it's morning for me today. What's up, YouTube? You feel me? It's your girl. I'm back with another video. And today we will be cooking a full small omelet. So, I know you guys wondering like, why do we need a video for cooking an omelet? Because guess what? A lot of people don't know how to cook an omelet. You feel me? We finna get cooking. You feel me? I'm finna show y'all how to cook an omelet. It might not be the best omelet in the world, but it's gonna be the tastiest omelet in the world. You feel me? But hold on, y'all. Okay. So you guys might not be able to see my face the whole time, but right now I'm finna just put the eggs inside the what you call this, the pot or whatever, to make boiled eggs, because she want boiled eggs for the morning time. So yeah, let me hurry and do this really quick. Okay, so right now I just put 2 eggs in there or whatever. I don't know how to say it. And I'm putting a 3rd egg in there. Feel me? We're gonna stir it up. Make sure everything look nice. Make sure nothing looks slumpy, you know? You don't want your eggs all lumpy and stuff. And see, I don't like the white stuff, but I keep them in there, I guess. I don't know. Make sure you stir that really good. Mind you, this is a small omelet. Usually people use about like 4 or 5 eggs, I believe, to use a thick omelet, but I use 3. And it's gonna get thicker regardless. Okay. Oh shit. Let me turn this off. It was kind of loud. Okay. Now for the ingredients inside of the omelet, I will be using. I use acid flavor or whatever. This is basically like salt, sodium salt or whatever. And I put this in here. Probably like a teaspoon, but I'm not that much, but then I use the black pepper. Fuck, I don't know how to do that. Yeah, so usually I don't use this type of black pepper. There's a square bottle type of, but this can do 2. So a teaspoon of that also. That's a teaspoon, like half of a teaspoon. And then I'll use red crushed peppers. You can't see that. Yeah, red crushed peppers. I freaking love my omelet spicy usually. So I just put it in there. I use a lot, so. Okay, put that up. Now, it's time to turn. You might not see that, but see. We're gonna turn the oven on. Fuck the stove. Put it on a little bit of low, medium. I'm gonna stir this again. I do put more ingredients in there, but I only do that during it's cooking. I only do that when it's cooking or whatever. So yeah. Also, remember, always gonna tell you guys. Always remember to put butter when in the skillet when you're cooking, you know. It's put butter. See that? There's a fork. Put the whole thing in half. Don't matter as long as you put butter. I only say to use butter is because so that your omelet won't stick to the skillet, you know. You don't want your omelet sticking to the skillet. Okay. So when that gets around, put it around there. Then you are ready to put in your omelet. And I'll show you guys that. Okay, so what I've done now is I put more black pepper. I put more crushed peppers, and I also added the spinach, the raw spinach, and I will be adding butter, a little bit of butter. It don't have to be a large amount. Get on there. Oh fuck. Jesus. Halfway done with this side. I'll also put it on the other side. So yeah. Let that sizzle. Put it on nice, small. And have the eggs boiling over there. Oh shit. No, I ain't gonna show y'all that. Right now, really quick, I'm adding shredded cheese. Really quick. Add a little bit of that, and then all I'm gonna do is right now, I'm to pick it up. Pick it up. Bend it like this. Guess it might fall out a little bit. I hate when it fall out. You guys don't understand, like, I freaking hate when it fall out. Like, make sure the whole thing is over it. Squeeze it down if you have to. And yeah. Sit here and fold it. Put a little butter on there. Like pancakes. Oh, snap. Looks like pancakes right now. You know what I do? Turn it off. Huh? Yeah, okay. And then, you feel me? And that's how you make an omelet. Okay. So, you guys can watch me mess up the place if you want. always make sure after you clean, after you cook, please clean. She just went back in the room. After you clean, I'm steady saying that. After you cook, please clean. Always clean. Alrighty. Wait, babe. What? Can you come here and give me this plate? This plate. It's stuck. I can't get it. She finna come help me. It's up there. What? The plate. Get it. It's back there. You dead ass. It's all back there. Okay. Thank you, baby. Okay. Look at my girlfriend. She's in my video. Oh, she finna leave me to play some damn Call of Duty shit.
I'm lying, bitch. I got braids.
See? Okay, so let that cool off, you feel me? Omelette. Okay. So I'm gonna just sit here and speed through the process really quick until everything is settled and done and that we can eat. Alright? Alright. So y'all, I'm back. So as y'all can see, I'm done cooking. I cooked boiled eggs, an omelet, sausages, and a piece of toast, I guess.